So what's up people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your host Crazy Bodhi and today I am going to unbox my new toolkit which is from Taparia. This is how the box looks. Here are the sellotape kind of seals. Obviously I'll cut them off. Nicely bubble wrapped. First impression, the box looks really good. The quality of material used is like really good. I'm like pretty much surprised by this kind of quality at this price.
Before I can.
Wow. First impression, the quality is like really good. Like you can feel the quality literally by touching them. So I got this from Amazon for 2000 bucks. This is for those people who love to do things in their way and they get next level satisfaction by doing the things in their way.
And say what you want, but I'm not okay with my brain anymore. I'm not okay with the way that I cope. Hardship, misfortune, so maybe before, maybe before, maybe before, maybe before. Find the time to start a good reason to admire my trials. I need to buy myself and cry before I can.
So thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. I hope you guys liked it. See you in my next video. Thank you.